massive Ironshore estate surrounded by lush greenery and ocean views. Exclusive aerial look of your dream Caribbean home in Jamaica. This is a premium multi-level property boasting expansive acreage and pristine ocean backdrops. This stunning modern architecture home also features beautifully manicured lawns and gated entry. Plus, impressive curb appeal is highlighted by an elegant dark metal roof. Secure perimeter wall protects this gorgeous move-in ready luxury estate. This beautifully landscaped garden bed adds stunning curb appeal to the property. Expansive covered veranda offers perfect breeze and peaceful garden views. Spacious open concept living area features elegant furniture and classic chandeliers. This grand formal area boasts high ceilings and traditional design. This living space is also bright and airy, which is perfect for entertaining your guests. Elegant entrance hallway connects seamlessly to the main living spaces. This functional corridor layout seamlessly links multiple rooms of the house. Large windows bring natural light into this beautiful living space. Functional hallway boasts extensive built-in white louvered storage closets. Elegant tufted chaise lounge adds timeless antique charm to entryway. Bright kitchen layout includes breakfast bar seating and large windows. Stunning polished granite countertops provide ample space for meal preparation. Premium Bosch gas cooktop offers 4 burners for efficient cooking. Enormous backyard space offers a perfect canvas for swimming pool. Fully walled grounds feature lush green lawns and total privacy. Elegant wooden staircase railing leads safely to upper-level bedrooms. Generously sized bedroom layout offers incredible space and ultimate comfort. This primary bedroom includes private ensuite bathroom and closet storage. This modern 5-blade ceiling fan keeps this bedroom cool and very comfortable. This massive primary bathroom features a large built-in jetted soaking tub, classic tiling and a matching bidet. This bright entryway offers lovely views straight out to the veranda. This elegant formal dining room features a beautiful traditional wooden table. This sophisticated eating space is perfect for hosting memorable family dinners, plus it boasts large windows and classic wooden furniture. This spacious guest bedroom comfortably accommodates 2 large full-sized beds. The layout also offers excellent comfort for your guests. High-vaulted wood ceilings add rustic warmth to this space. This area can be used as a secondary living area or a den, which is perfect for watching television and relaxing. This well-maintained secondary bathroom offers a very neat and cozy setup. This stunning crystal chandelier adds a touch of classic luxury indoors. This bright enclosed veranda offers a comfortable, private relaxation space plus spectacular views. Now you're looking at a vast green backyard that offers plenty of space for a swimming pool. A long paved driveway leads up to a secure gated entrance.